Hi folks, welcome to Chiefkirk Outdoors. Today, since the sun is so beautiful and warm, and it is an absolutely beautiful day here in North Carolina, I thought for Fired Up Friday, which happy Fatwood and Fired Up Friday everybody, I thought I'd do a little solar fire. Now, in the winter time, it's when the sun is not really bearing down like it does in the summer. It's hard to use a small magnifying lens. But in the summertime, you can do that. The larger the lens, the more sun's rays, solar rays that it attracts and focuses, and it works a whole lot better. But I'm gonna give it a shot with this little bitty one right here and see if I can get it to work. Now the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on my extra sunglasses, which you should always wear sunglasses when you do a solar fire, because looking at this thing will give you spots in front of your eyes. And if you have some dark material to light up, it's a whole lot better, it's a whole lot faster. If you use like a piece of white paper or something like that, it reflects that heat and you can't hardly get it to light at all, if at all. So I'm gonna try it with a piece of char cloth. Now, the object of the game is to focus as tiny a dot on it as you can. And I'll see in just a second how that's going to work. And also, because it's bright out here, it's hard to see, but I've already got flame going right here. Not flame, but ignition. And we have flame. Now see how quick that was? That's pretty all right. When it's cooler weather, I've got a magnifying lens like you use on a sheet of paper for when you're reading a book or something. And you can put that on there and it just, it's immediate you start seeing smoke. Those things are powerful. But even these little tiny ones here will work just fine. So anyhow, that's that. Oh, and by the way, I did go ahead and put an extra piece of char cloth in there before I started in my bundle, in case one went out before it got started, the other one will extend it. Learned that from Dominic Minichetti. Don't be stingy with your char cloth, and I wasn't. So there you go, folks. I appreciate you joining me, and till I see you next time, God bless you. Don't forget to tell somebody you love them, because they may not be here tomorrow. So thank you, folks.